Okay, so what we're going to do today is program in the Centsys Nova Remotes. So what I have here is the 4-button variety of the Centsys Nova. They also come in a 2-button and a single button version. So this is remote programming for the Centsys D5, but also very similar remote programming process for the Centsys Vantage, which is their swing gate motors. As it uses a very similar boards, the process is the same. So we're going to come over to here, and then we can come to the main menu screen here. We can go up 1 to remote controls. You're going to hit enter on that, add remote. We're going to go, select function trigger, accept. Time bar remote, no, accept. So it's going to say press remote button. So we're going to program in the green one here. Success, that has been done. We're going to exit out of that.